Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix no internet connection, connect to internet and try again. If you face this type of error on TikTok app, so how to fix? First of all, go back here home screen and open your mobile setting, and from here tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle at least the 30 seconds you have, turn it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn off mobile data at least the 30 seconds you have, turn it on, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back here home screen, go back, and after that open again setting, then scroll down, then tap on app management, then click on app settings, and from here you set for this TikTok app, click on TikTok, and from here click on permissions. You make sure that allow all permissions, and after that go back, then click on storage and cache, and from here click on clear cache, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back your home screen and open your Play Store and App Store, and from here you search for this TikTok app, click on TikTok app, and from here you as can see update. What you need to do it, click on update, and after update I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.